Hey lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tomorrow we are planning to go to Kilyen Falls. I'm taking a group of kids and families to visit this beautiful falls. Also, for going there, we're planning to put some tarp. Like a lot of people are already going to this falls and the garbage can be seen all over the place. So we want to put some big empty sacks to serve as garbage bins. So maybe the tarpaulins that we're gonna put up will serve as a reminder to try to dispose of them properly. We're gonna prepare for tomorrow's trip. So have a little bit of fun in the water. So join us on this trip. See you. Bye.
Run! Run! Kapit.
Stream light.
Uy.
Di ba may
Wala. Straight manggulong. Yan. Pumili ko. Straight lang. Di pa. Sige. Straight go. Atras. Malaglag. Huwag na. Atras. Bilisan mo. Atras. Kunti. Nag-ano ang lupa.
baba muna, baba.
Oh,
Baba!
Baba. Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya.
So we can't pass through there because there's a bit of an erosion on the side and the tires are falling. So to make a road for the tires, it's a bit dangerous because it's gonna fall. So we're trying to make the road a little bit wider so the car can get in. The car was already starting to fall off on the side, on the driver's side.
Kasya na.
Bye, bye.
Papuntay mo ito ba kuya? Hindi man ano, kinakain niya na hindi man.
Ito, kain konti.
Sige te. Go te. Sige. Oh, sige. Sige. Sige, sige. Sige, sige lang. Good siya. Sige. Hey!
Tara na!
Success.
So sweaty! Success so far! Okay, hello lovely people. We're walking towards where the falls is, so we're gonna put this tarp over there and the sack for garbage. Let's do it. So sweaty after all that adventure. Okay, so lovely people, I've got all this sack for the garbage, and it's sad to see that you can actually see some garbage on the side on the way to the fall. So I'm just gonna start collecting them, put them in the sack. Okay, it's nice and cool in here. Please don't throw your garbage here. Sinadya mo doon?
Hindi.
So bad. Sa Bagyo ito nung, no? Janet po, ayan na yan. Ayan na yan.
Sikat,
Thank you po.
mamulot ng basura. Kala niyo ay. Dito ang kasabi niyo, kala niyo.
Hey lovely people, so we're now gonna, before we start having fun in the falls, we're gonna put all this tarp. So, bili lang kami ng padala lang po ako ng mga basura daw, ha? Para walang kalat. May basurahan kayo? May... Kain na tayo. Hugas ng kamay. Kain na lahat.
Marita na kayo nagdala ng tubig.
So, it's time to eat. Everybody's hungry. The adobo, chicken pork adobo.